Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a multi-digit multiplication live stream. So I'm going to start out with a 3-digit by 1-digit problem, then I'm going to do a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problem, then 3-digit by 2-digit, then a couple of 3-digit by 3-digit problems. So our first example is 598 times 4. I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So when you see a problem like this, I want you to think of it as 3 separate single-digit problems where you would group anytime our product is 10 or more. So we're going to start out simply by multiplying 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. Since our product is more than 10, the 2 in 32 is going to go in the ones place. The 3 in 32 is going to get carried over to the tens place. 9 times 4 equals 36, plus 3 equals 39. Again, we got to regroup. The 9 in 39 goes in the tens place. The 3 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 5 times 4 equals 20, plus 3 equals 23. And we have our final answer. 598 times 4 equals 2,392. All right, moving on to our next example problem. I'm Mr. Camilleri, and this is the Mr. Camilleri Show YouTube channel. All right, we have 82 times 79. That is our second example problem of the video. Second example problem of the video right here. So we start in the ones place. 2 times 9 equals 18. 8, carry the 1. 8 times 9 equals 72, plus 1 equals 73. Now, before we multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place, we have to put a 0 in the ones place, since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied. Very important that we remember to do that, because it will throw everything off if we don't put a 0 in the ones place before we do our next round of multiplication. Hey, welcome to the channel. All right, here we go. 2 times 7 equals 14. 4, carry the 1. 8 times 7 equals 56, plus 1 equals 57. Now to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. Eight plus 0 equals 8. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. And we have our final answer. 82 times 79 equals 6,478. 1 plus 1's that's for another live stream. That's for an addition live stream. All right, next example problem. We are going to do a 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication problem. All right, here we go. 500 times 45. Let me make that multiplication sign look a little bit neater. All right, starting in the ones place, 0 times 5 equals 0. 0 times 5 again equals 0. 5 times 5 equals 2,500. Next, we multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. But again, before we do that, we have to put a 0 in the ones place. All right, 0 times 4 again equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 5 times 4 equals 20. Anything multiplied by 0 is always going to be 0. Remember that. Somebody in the chat put what will possibly be our final answer. We'll see if they're correct. All right, 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 0 plus 2 equals 2. And shout out to the person in the chat. They were correct on their answer. 500 times 45 equals 22,500. All right, we are now moving on to a 3-digit by 3-digit multiplication problem. I'm Mr. Camilleri, and this is the Mr. Camilleri Show YouTube channel. All right, 743 times 264. So starting in the ones place, 3 times 4 equals 12. 2 carry the 1. 4 times 4 equals 16, plus 1 equals 17. 7 carry the 1. 7 times 4 equals 28, plus 1 equals 29. All right, now we have to put a 0 in the ones place since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied. Now we're multiplying the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. 3 times 6 equals 18. 8 carry the 1. 4 times 6 equals 24, plus 1 equals 25. 5 carry the 2. 7 times 6 equals 42, plus 2 equals 44. Now we have to multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the hundreds place, and we are putting a 0 in the ones place and a 0 in the tens place because both digits in the ones and tens place have already been multiplied. All right, 3 times 2 equals 6. Now we do not need to regroup there because our product is less than 10. We only regroup if our product is 10 or more. 4 times 2 equals 8. Again, no regrouping needed. 7 times 2 equals 14. And now to get our final answer, we simply need to add these 3 numbers together. All right, 2 plus 0 equals 2. 7 plus 8 equals 15. 5 carry the 1. 0 there, all right. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Plus 5 equals 15. Plus 6 equals 21. 1 carry the 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Plus 4 equals 8. Plus 8 equals 16. 6 carry the 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Plus 4 equals 9. 0 plus 1 equals 1. And we have our final answer. 743 times 264 equals 196,152. All right, moving on to what will be perhaps the final example problem of the live stream. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please continue to hit the like button. I appreciate you. I am so glad you are here. All right, here we go. 528 times 135. So we start in the ones place. 8 times 5 equals 40. 0, carry the 4. 2 times 5 equals 10, plus 4 equals 14. 4 carry the 1. 5 times 5 equals 25. Plus 1 equals 26. Shout out to the person that just hit the like button. I appreciate you. All right, next we got to multiply the 3 top numbers times the bottom digit in the tens place. And before we do that, got to put a 0 in the ones place. Eight times 3 equals 24. 4 carry the 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Plus 2 equals 8. 5 times 3 equals 15. Now before we multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the hundreds place, we're putting a 0 in the ones place and a 0 in the tens place. Since both digits in the ones and tens place have already been multiplied. All right. 8 times 1 equals 8. Anything times 1 equals the number itself, so that makes it kind of easy here. 2 times 1 equals 2. 5 times 1 equals 5. And if you notice, there was no need for regrouping there because all of our products for that final round of multiplication were less than 10. We only regroup if our products end up being 10 or more. All right, next we're going to add these 3 numbers together to get our final answer. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. 4 plus 4 plus 0 equals 8. 6 plus 8 plus 8. 6 plus 8 equals 14 plus 8 equals 22. 2 carry the 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Plus 5 equals 9. Plus 2 equals 11. 1 carry the 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Plus 5 equals 7. And we have our final answer. 528 times 135 equals 71,280. And that concludes my multiplication live stream for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video, and if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will try to do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off. Thank you for watching the Mr. Camilleri Show YouTube channel.